Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about do while loop in C. So already we will discuss while loop in C. That is entry control loop. So first condition will be tested. If the condition is true, the set will be executed, and the next loop will be terminated. This is also known as. Now we will discuss about do while loop. While loop is a entry control loop. Here do while loop is the exit control loop. If the while loop continues until a given condition is satisfied, it is also called as post-tester loop. While loop is pre-tester loop. Do while loop is post-tester loop. When the necessary to execute the loop at least once. Here, definitely the loop will be executed at least only one time. The same process followed by while loop. The condition is first statement will be executed. The next increment will be performed, and the next will be the loop will be executed. Finally, the condition will be checked. Here, what main difference between other loops in do while loop, the condition will be completed with semicolon. That is most important. This is the syntax for do while loop. Do and code will be executed, and while condition semicolon. Here, the condition will be evaluated at the exit of the loop. This is a simple example for do while loop. Main function, and then integer I equal to 1. Do here at least one time the loop will be executed in the do while. But while loop, if the condition true, then the condition is true, the loop will be executed. Here, at least one time the loop will be executed. Next, we move to the increment process, and the next the condition will be checked. If the condition is true, it will be looping process will be processed. Otherwise, loop will be terminated. So this is the simple example of do while loop. Thank you.